The next question is the 14th question. We have a rectangular plot of land has its sides with lengths of 38 meters and 52 meters correct to the nearest meter. That means it has been approximated. Find the range of the possible values of the area of the rectangle. This should be known to be approximation question. So for each of them, we'll find the boundaries. We have 38. The boundaries for 38 is the upper boundary will be 38.5 and the lower boundary is 38 minus 0.5, which is 37.5. Next one, which is 52, has an upper boundary of 52.5 and a lower boundary of 51.5. And since the question says find the range of the possible values of the area of the rectangle, so we'll multiply the lower times the lower to get the lower part, and the upper boundary by the upper boundary of the length to the upper boundary of the breadth, and the lower boundary of the breadth to the lower boundary of the length. So normal area is equals to length times breadth. So we have, for the lower class, the lower boundary, we have 37.5 times 51.5, which will give us, using our calculator, it was 1931.25. And for the upper class, for the upper boundary, we have 52.5 times 38.5. So we have 52.5 times 38.5, which is 2021.25. Now we'll see these two. Let's see if we have them in our options. We have them somewhere here with D and A, but how do we now write it out to know which of the answers is correct? Well, note that we should know that our area A is actually greater than this, or equal to the greater than or equal to this, and less than the bigger value. So we know it's A because the arrow indicates that the sign, the greater and less than sign indicates that the area is less than the bigger value, but it's also equal to or less than or greater than, is also equal to or greater than the lower boundary.